Guys, March 6, 2023. So now I got a call from a guy. His first floor furnace is not working. Called me on Sunday, actually. I told him I could go by there Sunday or Monday morning. If I needed parts on Sunday, I might not be able to, I might not have them. Might have to wait till Monday anyway. So I'm going there first thing Monday morning here, and if I need parts that I don't have in the truck, I can get them, right? So I'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. To leave Molly home. She's playing Catch Me If You Can this morning, so oh well. It's on hold.
Yeah.
You gotta make sure it gets on there right. That's the thing.
Because it seemed like
yeah.
It seemed like the fan would go on.
Alright, well that's good. That's good, yeah. There it goes. Yeah. Clicks in.
See, I had actually turned the heat off.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're going to turn it on, but yeah, heat.
Yeah.
Automatic. Yeah, I just heard a click. Alright, we'll check it downstairs. Just wanted to check, make sure
Yeah, of course.
it's on there right. Alright. We'll figure it out. Could be the igniter's bad. Yeah, it looks like the igniter might be cracked.
Oh.
The hot surface igniter. That would do it.
Okay.
I should have that. Looks like it's got a crack in it. Kind of a common issue, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I think I do got that one.
It's funny. My wife noticed that it was getting colder, and then she looked at the thermostat and it was flashing replace batteries.
Well,
I think she assumed that was the problem.
Right. It could be, right?
Yeah. But when I changed the battery, it just, nothing was happening.
This thing's got a glow for it to work.
Yeah.
And looks like it's got a crack in it, so let's change that. And it's not going to work like that.
Gotcha.
That would be our first thing to make sure it's okay. Just going into work late, are you? Or you work
No, I work from home actually.
Wow. I mean, a lot of people since COVID work from home now.
Yeah, so I actually own a small business with my my family. We do like promotional products.
Yeah, you can see it's got a crack in it. Let me see. Yeah, come on, look at it. See the crack there?
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Because that's gonna glow once here on that side. So that's gonna glow. It puts 110 to it, and that glows. So if that's cracked, which you could see it, that's probably what our issue is.
Oh wow.
So let me see if hopefully I got one of them in the truck. I think I do. That's a common one.
Yeah.
Alright, we got one. I got one. I'm gonna check that flame sensor while I'm here too. That's the same one with the bracket. Yeah, that's a kind of a common one, the Goodman like that. Get it up in there without cracking it. They're doing something.
No.
It is just things wear out, and unfortunately.
Well, again, I mean, I think this unit's been here since they built the house. I mean, it's not an old house by any stretch, but
Yeah. being tricky. You don't want to break that thing either. It's kind of a wimpy metal.
Oh, the igniter?
Yeah, it's kind of like a stone almost. You can't bang it or nothing; it'll crack it.
Right.
Unfortunately. While I'm in here, I'm gonna do the flame sensor while I'm here too. So.
Sure.
That needs to be done probably anyway. So. That's definitely a problem. That igniter.
Yeah.
Because what happens is when this thing runs, then that thing will glow.
Yeah.
And then fire.
Yeah.
And if it's not glowing, it's not going to ignite.
Right.
And then the flame sensor is going to shut it off.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a process. That thing will glow. The fan will run.
Mm-hmm.
Pull the vacuum switch in, and then it'll glow. Then it'll let the gas go through, ignite, and then keep it on with this flame sensor.
Gotcha.
So what's going to happen is, you can see it's a little dirty.
Yeah.
This doesn't take much to clean it. You can clean it with my gloves, actually. It's just fine. On my shirt, it's fine. They say a dollar bill, but...
Dollar bill, really?
$100 bill.
Well, I don't have any of those.
Yeah, as long as you keep it clean. And then once it fires, this keeps it running.
Yeah.
This is,
yeah, because back when we had the last issue, I came down here to check this one, and I saw that glow that you're talking about, and then the thing fired up. And that's why when I came down here yesterday, I took a look. I was like, oh, it's not firing up at all.
Didn't do the glow part.
Oh, yeah.
We'll try it now. Like I said, I could clearly see it was cracked.
Yeah.
So it's gonna, fan's gonna run, then that thing should turn red, and then it should fire. I did check all the reset buttons, nothing was tripped. There it goes, it's turning red there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And then fires. Yeah. And then the flame the flame sensor will sense the flame and keep it on. Gotcha. So if what was happening before was it was going through a cycle sending the power to the flame sensor, it wasn't glowing, it would send the gas through, but then the flame sensor wouldn't sense the gas and shut it off.
Gotcha.
You can't see it that much on this side, but this other side you can really see it.
Yeah.
Take a look. See it?
Yeah.
It's cracked.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So there's 110 going to that, so that glows red.
Yeah.
So if it's not connected, it's not going to glow.
Right. Wow. One little crack like that.
It's common, very common. Yeah. Another easy fix for you.
Thank God.
So new hot surface igniter and clean the flame sensor. Oh, I miss Marla. Come back and get you. Got you a new bed too. Nice and clean, brand new. All right, push over. Come on. Getting spoiled sweater on. New bed.